Yes, that's it.
No.
Okay, let's go home.
Shrimp.
Peel and remove the heads of the shrimp. Chop them finely to make the filling. Put the chopped shrimp in a small bowl.
Spring onion.
Chop the green onions.
Ginger.
Chop some ginger. Add the green onions and chop ginger to the shrimp bowl. Crack a quail egg. Take only the egg white and add it to the filling mixture. Add a little sesame oil.
Broth mix.
Add a small amount of flour to make the filling sticky. Use a spoon to mix all the ingredients until the mixture is soft and combine. Place a wooden wrapper on a cutting board. Add a generous amount of filling in the middle. Use a brush to brush a thin layer of water around the edges of the wrapper. Fold and shape the wonton as desired. Continue wrapping until all the filling is used up. Heat cooking oil in a pan. Deep fry the wontons. Fry until the wrapper is golden brown on all sides and then remove to a plate. Bring a pot of water to a boil. Boil the wontons for about 15 minutes until cooked and floats to the top.
Boil for 15 minutes.
Remove the boiled wontons to a bowl.
Garlic,
In a small
spring
bowl,
onion,
add the minced
chili.
garlic, green onions, and chili. Add oyster sauce, chili powder, soy sauce, sesame oil, and sugar.
Chili powder. Soy sauce. Sesame oil. Sugar.
Pour the mixed sauce over the boiled wonton bowl.
Lemon. Rosemary.
Hey, Clover, here's your salt. Oh, wow!
Thank you, Penguin. Salt. Water. Tomato. Radish. Carrot. Bell pepper. Lettuce. Black pepper. Salt. Olive oil. Lemon.
Mmm, delicious.
A little bit of cheese. And some green onion. And now let's grill it. yummy.
Pour water into the pot. Put the shrimp in there and wait until it boils. After the pot boils for 1 moment, take the shrimp out. We use scissors to cut the shrimp shell. Cut shrimp into small pieces. Next, we will prepare the pasta. Pour the pasta into a pot with water. Add some salt to it. When the water boils, we take the pasta out into a bowl. Next step, we will make the pasta chop sauce. Heat a pan with butter. Pour flour into it. Add milk and cheese. Stir the mixture until completely melted. Take it out.